Welcome to my YouTube channel. The financial industry has seen significant changes in recent years, and emerging technologies are shaping its future in unprecedented ways. The impact of technology on finance has been transformative, with digital banking, mobile payments, artificial intelligence, and blockchain all playing a role in reshaping the industry. These developments have not only improved efficiency but have also opened up new opportunities for growth and innovation. In this video, we explore the future of finance and the impact of emerging technologies on the financial industry. We'll look at the latest trends, technologies, and innovations that are transforming the financial landscape, and examine how they're shaping the future of finance. If you're interested in learning about the future of finance and how it will impact your financial life, keep reading. Introduction to Emerging Technologies in the Financial Industry. The financial industry has always been at the forefront of innovation and change, adapting to the evolving needs and demands of the modern world. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era, as emerging technologies promise to revolutionize the way we think about and interact with finance. From blockchain and artificial intelligence to machine learning and big data analytics, these emerging technologies have the power to reshape traditional financial practices and unlock tremendous opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. They have the potential to streamline processes, enhance security, improve efficiency, and provide access to financial services to previously underserved populations. Blockchain, for instance, offers a decentralized and transparent ledger system that can revolutionize how transactions are recorded and verified. It has the potential to eliminate intermediaries, reduce costs, and enhance trust in financial transactions. Similarly, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, enabling financial institutions to make more accurate predictions, automate tasks, and personalize customer experiences. The impact of these emerging technologies goes beyond traditional banking and finance. They have the potential to disrupt various sectors within the financial industry, including insurance, wealth management, payments, and lending. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it becomes crucial for businesses and individuals to stay informed and adapt to these changes to stay competitive in the future. In this video, we will delve into the exciting world of emerging technologies in the financial industry. We will explore their potential benefits, challenges, and implications for businesses, consumers, and society as a whole. Join us on this journey as we uncover the transformative power of these technologies and envision the future of finance. How artificial intelligence is transforming finance. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the financial industry in ways we could have never imagined. From chatbots providing personalized customer service to algorithmic trading systems making split-second investment decisions, AI is transforming the way financial institutions operate. One of the key areas where AI is making a significant impact is in fraud detection and prevention. Traditional rule-based systems are limited in their ability to detect complex patterns and anomalies. With AI-powered algorithms, financial institutions can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying potential fraudulent activities and taking proactive measures to prevent them. AI is also reshaping the customer experience in finance. Virtual assistants powered by natural language processing and machine learning can now handle customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and even help with financial planning. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also improves operational efficiency for financial institutions. Moreover, AI is revolutionizing risk management in finance. Advanced machine learning algorithms can analyze historical data, market trends, and economic indicators to predict potential risks and help financial institutions make more informed decisions. This not only mitigates risks but also enables institutions to optimize their portfolios and improve profitability. Another significant impact of AI in finance is in the field of credit scoring. Traditional credit scoring models often rely on limited data points, leading to biased decisions and excluding individuals with thin credit histories. AI algorithms, on the other hand, can analyze a wide range of alternative data sources, such as social media profiles and online activities, to provide a more accurate assessment of creditworthiness. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transforming the finance industry by enabling more efficient and accurate processes, enhancing customer experiences, and improving risk management. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect further advancements in areas such as regulatory compliance, investment analysis, and personalized financial advice. The future of finance is undoubtedly intertwined with the power of AI, and embracing this technology is crucial for financial institutions to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving landscape. The role of blockchain in revolutionizing financial transactions. Blockchain technology has emerged as a disruptive force in the world of finance, revolutionizing the way financial transactions are conducted. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and immutable digital ledger that enables secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. One of the key advantages of blockchain technology is its ability to enhance the security and trustworthiness of financial transactions. By utilizing cryptography and consensus algorithms, blockchain ensures that every transaction is verified and recorded in a tamper-proof manner. This eliminates the need for traditional intermediaries, such as banks or clearinghouses, reducing costs and improving efficiency. Additionally, blockchain has the potential to streamline cross-border transactions by eliminating the need for multiple intermediaries and reducing the time and costs associated with traditional methods. With blockchain, transactions can be settled in near real time, providing faster and more efficient transfer of funds across borders. Moreover, the transparency offered by blockchain technology enhances accountability and reduces the risk of fraud. Every transaction recorded on the blockchain is visible to all participants, creating an auditable and transparent system. This not only improves trust between parties but also enables regulators to monitor transactions more effectively. Furthermore, blockchain has opened up new avenues for financial inclusion, particularly for the unbanked population. With traditional banking systems often inaccessible or costly for many individuals, blockchain technology allows for the creation of decentralized financial systems that can provide basic financial services to those who have been excluded from the traditional banking sector. However, while blockchain holds tremendous potential, there are still challenges to overcome. Scalability, interoperability, and regulatory frameworks are some of the areas that need to be addressed to fully integrate blockchain into the financial industry. In conclusion, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize financial transactions by providing enhanced security, speed, transparency, and inclusivity. As the financial industry continues to embrace emerging technologies, blockchain is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of finance. The rise of digital currencies and their impact on traditional banking. In recent years, digital currencies have taken the financial world by storm, disrupting traditional banking systems and revolutionizing the way we think about money. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, have gained significant popularity and have the potential to reshape the future of finance. One of the main impacts of digital currencies on traditional banking is the decentralization of financial transactions. Unlike traditional banks that act as intermediaries, digital currencies enable peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority. This eliminates the need for traditional banking systems, which often come with fees, delays, and limitations. Moreover, digital currencies offer benefits such as enhanced security and privacy. Blockchain technology, the underlying technology behind many digital currencies, provides a transparent and immutable ledger that ensures the integrity of transactions. This makes it extremely difficult for fraud or manipulation to occur, providing users with a higher level of trust in their financial transactions. Additionally, digital currencies have the potential to expand financial inclusion globally. In many developing countries, traditional banking services are limited or inaccessible to large portions of the population. Digital currencies offer an alternative, enabling individuals to access financial services through their smartphones or other digital devices. This can empower individuals who were previously excluded from the traditional banking system, allowing them to participate in the global economy. However, the rise of digital currencies also poses challenges for traditional banks. As more individuals embrace digital currencies, traditional banks may face a decline in their customer base and transaction volumes. This calls for banks to adapt and integrate digital currencies into their services to stay competitive in the evolving financial landscape. In conclusion, the rise of digital currencies is transforming the financial industry, challenging traditional banking systems and offering new possibilities for financial inclusion and innovation. As digital currencies continue to gain momentum, it is crucial for traditional banks to embrace and adapt to this emerging technology to remain relevant in the future of finance. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button for more amazing video.